Puppies. Puppies. There's orange color. Brown. Yellow. Hey, babies. We just did weights on them. They're all, yeah. Hey, come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Like blue boy. Yeah. Little pink girl. She's an adventurous one. She was the first one to go outside. Little tan boy. These guys are tired. They're ready for a puppy nap. They'll crawl up my lap and go night night. Yeah, they come. Yeah, here they come. All coming up. Hello. Brown going back to the kennel. I'm going to clean that up. Little no collar. All gaining weight good.